A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. So guys, uFelix Hlophe has been suspended from Igagasi FM as bandvu batfolakale bakhipha i-petition yokuthi makaqoshwe emsebentini. And this was triggered by a video lasibone khona uFelix Hlophe ahishahishana khona namakhelwane wakhe adimanda umndeni wakhe. So apparently what had happened is that uTracy and Felix had some sort of disagreement or whatever it was gwabo logo in their own household. So uTracy makatfolakala phela ahamba ayaga makhelwane alongside with her mother. Ngila khona uFelix sekavelile phela sekabatshela ukuthi ufuna umndeni wakhe makabuyele endlini kakhulukazi ufuna labantu bakhe lo mfana and all of those things that he kept on saying lapha kule video. And nje labanyendi bathi hayibo angcono axoshwe emsebentini because people feel ukuthi lesenfo sakhe lesiyana simportray as someone luhlukumeta umndeni wakhe. And there are people that came with a different perspective basho bathi sesifika njani etindzabeni tebantu temndeni wabo kanti imindeni ayiqabani na, cause even someone said kokuthi laphayana akukho umuntu loshayela umunye from what we know by far unless ikhona lokunye phela lesingakwadi. So nje abantu labanye nje basigcekile lesento sokuthi kube ne-petition lefana njengale kokuthi there are bigger issues that are going on lana. Why kangaphuma i-petition ukuthi aqoshwe abantu laba implicated lapha eMadlanga Commission, people that have done major and massive criminal activities balana solo bangena tindzaba tasegcekeni la Felix Hlophe. And then nalabanye abantu bachubeka basho bathi hayibo asifunzi na kuphuma etindzabeni tebantu. Siyakhumbula mosikuthi a few months back uTracy did a video la asho khona ukuthi akaphatheki kahle mabaloku bantu bathi her husband is a bad person. Washo nje Tracy ababaza info yakhe ukuthi cha, he is a good father, he is a good husband, and people should stop dragging uFelix Hlophe. You are very much welcome to share your views.
Then he needs to say, thank you, Daddy, help me, Daddy. Not here, not in this house. No. I want no Muslim, I couldn't do that. Don't insult people. They've already insulted your mother. I'm just paying back the favor. I want Muslim, I want Muslim. Yeah, I want Muslim.
Yeah, Bobaru.
Muslim, I want Muslim. Muslim.
Oh, ma'am.
I want Muslim.
Obano road.
Washona kanjani lo baba lo baba lo washona kanjani washona lapho lo baba lo
Mina ngiyaqala
what did you type
wena ufuna ukushone lapha
hayi kulungile
niyafana
ngilobolile kodwa
niyafana nawe lobolile utshela uba uhamba naye
fine. No, he's not going to stop chasing. He's not going to stop.
uthi unjani
He's not going to stop. No, Tracy, you were at home just now. Suddenly, you see Mr. Lorenzo when? Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Say what? Fine, keep the girl, give me my boy. Give me my boy. Fair enough. Just give him my boy.
He's sleeping.
Yes, he's sleeping because it doesn't know his dad is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because you're
But you can wake him up.
You'll see him in the morning.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. I'm not getting over the case of kidnapping. You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. Look at this.
Felix Hassan
Ngeke zingahambe ngawo. Ngeke zingahambe.
mina ngizobala asambe se police station sovula icala
Angindawo nawe ma. Angindawo wena usikhombisa umama ngemama. Umsangano nje bomama. Umsangano nje bomama.
cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowaprepare ngotshwala
Whatever yenze kuwena fanele. Yeah.
nawe lesazokwenzeka kufanele wena uyini wena uyini ngomuzi nje ngebond
Ukazi yini mina?
ngebond
Yini ezokwenza mina mucabanga sana? Ukazi wenza
ngoba wena wakho ungebond
100%.
Exactly. So
And I will not make a noise.
and he'll say, you already said, what did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you.
Tracy.
When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face.
I'm being here. Asambe boni. Phoyisa ngcono ngoba uyazibonela angithi uthi imina manje ngithele akenze kanje. Njengoba ngithuli esho zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo. Even bekhuluma lapho nomngani wakhe bethi baya kovalida. Ngangimnqandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi ningane inohlala lodwa. Ozani la ekhaya. Hamba nengane ezincane ngakho. Hamba ubusuku behamba sengingayazi. Ngiyamsiza ngihleli nengane zakhe.
Ayikho into omsiza yona wena ubone umshado wakhe. Manje awuli.
Hawu.
Ayikho into omsiza yona. Ayikho into omsiza yona.
Mina I don't agree.
Ayikho into omsiza yona. Ayikho into omsiza yona.
Mina ngiyakhetha
You grandstanding,
amabhesi
but you grandstanding. What you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so. I've never met you.
Wena wazuka umuntu emhlabeni.
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
How?
You don't have the. You have engaged. You have called to this house a father that has never been ever paid a single cent of school fees. That I've been, mina
Ngimbizile.
Ufunani la?
Hayi
Ufunani la?
Yala ikwami la.
He's never showed up.
Mina enginemvumo yokuvumela.
Yabona mina nginengane ngihlawuliwe zonke. Ngihlawule zenze lisiko zonke, yes? Zonke. Angimkweleti inkomo lo mama. Ngimbesile ngazamkhehla. Lo baba ukhuluma ngaye akazahlawule nesent zonke ingane zakhe including le. Akazayihlawula. Wena usumbiza noma ninkosazi wakhe, yes? Inkosazi wakhe loyo.
Babizwe yimini.
Who was a best friend. Who was a best friend and slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami. Illegitimate people. Illegitimate people.
Ubizwe yimini. Ngibavelaphi?
Okay. Ukuthi babizwe wena, you allow them here. You're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people.
Inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngepace yakho.
No, if you're even Christian. So I can't have a Christmas. I can't have a Christmas with my own family. Because you say.
Nokuvimbile.
Wena uvimbile.
Ngikuvimbele.
Ufike nje uzolindingane la. Ufike uzolindingane la.
Wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda kwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukhuluma khona ukuthi awuphikiswe. Ugcina wena. Awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama facts. Awufuni ukulazi iqiniso.
You do the same for your children. You do the same for your children. You will do the same for all your children. Yeah. What I'm doing today here, you will do the same. In fact, you will do worse for your children. Okay. I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay.
Hayibo sanibona, happy December. Hayi ngizwa kuthiwa nisayini petition yokuthi iGagasi FM ixoshe uFelix Hlophe. Hawu zingane zakwethu. Gabu. Eindabeni zabantu. Gabu. Kwakhona eindabeni zabantu. It is okay to have opinions. It is okay ukwenza ama videos and yabona sisho our 2 cents worth because people learn from our videos. But now umuntu alwe nomyeni wakhe indaba zakwabo bese nina nithi umyeni makalahlele komsebenzi. uTracy nomuntu wakhe babuyelene manje nina kodwa nifuna ukuthi uFelix alahlekele umsebenzi. Badleni why umuntu nomuntu angazenzela ipetition for ubaby daddy wakhe o for indoda yakhe lemhluphayo o ubhuti wakhe lo shaya intombi yakhe lapha kini emva kwama room nithule nithi cwaka kodwa ku stranger nisayini petition bafazi siyaphapha kodwa hayi siyaziphaphela indaba zabantu. I'm not saying lokakudelela okwenziwe uFelix on that video into enhle into embi shame into ebambisa igazi into emasikizi ikhona indlela that you expect ukuthi ubaba wekhaya makakhuluma akhulume ngayo whether you are angry or not. Isimilo ufuna usibambile especially for a Zulu man. Mina nje as a Zulu woman I'm seriously disappointed at how he carried himself, angry or not. Zikhona nje izinto indlela ongakhuluma ngazo ebantwini besifazane nabantu besilisa for that matter, but usually they don't do it kubantu besilisa because they know ukuthi abantu besilisa bazobashaya. But when it comes to women umuntu uzokhuluma ngale yandlela ngathi angathola itype yami ngelinye ilanga ngathi angathola thina ngelinye ilanga kodwa ke kulungile kodwa engibuzayo ukuthi hawo petition petition kanti waye omunye nomunye angabhekani nestori sakhe nese-o yakhe nesendoda yakhe. Umuntu onobhebhideri ongondlo aye emsebenzini ayazenzela ipetition ayi-1 noTracy naye azenzela ipetition for indoda yakhe. Hayi siyagagamela siyaxamukela ey'ndabeni zabantu. Hayi siyaxamukela ey'ndabeni zabantu. Wena nje wabakutrapile nje kulela viki uzoyimxoshisa nini lo wakho? Wena lo wakho ongahlala ngabuyi iviki lonke yena waye ungayimsebenzi ukuthi makaxoshwe. Wena makudliwe kwakho kodwa kwaTracy makulanjwe. The only thing ngifuna ngabe ni-advisor nayo ukuthi bafazi ake nifuna umsebenzi nisebenzeni izimele. Nizokwazi ukuthi stand up for yourselves within those relationships there. That's all.
Akukho mfazi la behind umfazi kaFelix usupport umfazi kaFelix. Bafuna afane nabo. Acele kuma status athi awu ayisekho ngisho nendoda engikhiphayo nje. Awungaze ngasengile. Bafuna lokho tshela. Most abantu abathi abenza ngathi bayamsupport abantu abanjalo. Abafuna afane nabo. Kade bembuka eShayisa of Life bayacasuka. Bafuna afane nabo, yabo. Ma uthi ngempela lento abayenza epetition iyona ayingeke fana. Awu. Yazi bethu sithi silungisa iCountry senze izinto ezibalekile basale ngemuva bona. Kodwa makuthiwa kwenziwa amanyalo okuxoshisa abantu emsebenzini baphambili. Kodwa bafethu. Ungasho kanjani ukuthi usupport umuntu kodwa ufuna ukuthi ingane zakhe ilambe? Ungasho kanjani?
Tatolo mara right mara ye. Sorry for tsena vele la hloka itsikatse. Are umuzi lo umuzwana lo. Ke kala ulutla go dale le tsile o thwang ke muzwana. Are wena mama umama wena asu mama umsangano nje wo mama umsangano. Yo utlula hadi ntsatse a kwena hape o ka advise nka lenyalo la ka wena o hlotsong ke hadi ntsa so ditaba ke hadi ntsa so motho nga moholo. Why am we into this one? Wa bana mkhotsi ntse ke dilang ke tshokere tlohella hore ha o so le monate o go business kubeng sa hloya lelapa o bontsha so wena o bontsha ditaba so batho bana ha ba shapo tsa ha ba qabana le wena ba tlo dintsha phahla ha ba le full stop ba dintsha di jwalo batho bale yo hona je kutlule e kare wa bana motho Felix abarwakang batho ba barwakang e ka ga se ha bo Tracy mo ke ha bo mkhotsi wa Tracy ke ena ileng Tracy o ile ha bo mkhotsi wa hae abalela ha bo mkhotsi wa hae so Felix o ile mo and then so batho ba bantse ba mkhotsa ke bona ba barwakang wa utlwa go tseba ditaba tsa mo hona mkhotsi wa Tracy o tlo sheba Tracy jwang go wena mkhotsi ko jetsa ditaba tsa heso and then wena o tsamaya o le ditshaya le monna hao Skena la bua ditaba tse o le bohlalla pa ha ba sharp batho ba yo mara ele yena wa tella Felix yo wa tella hle monnelwe ha sharp and ntwengwe hape mkhotsi wa pula ke dula ke tsho the whole of 2025 ke tsho ke like abanyane jwang iketsetse ya hao e ba le mintsi ya o iketsetsa tšhelete ya hao etsa go be le lentswe lenyalong la hao wana mosadi wa batho o tshilo gore nna sthepu se so batlang o setsa a ke se batle mara monne yo ha di bone tse ibile ngaka se phete a mo mametse because a sanga kla mo mamela even before why because o setsa Tracy ntwengolengoleng hona tse Tracy khona papa mang ho tswa sana le saluni no we understand khona asaqalela mfathi no which is it's never too late we understand o tla khona le yena hore ha ka ikemela a ikemele wa bona nna nka se jotse motho a etseng lenyalo la ha ya tsamaya etseng I will never do that mara ntwe nka itshong hore lenyalo le la hao wa bona ho ntse le monate jwa mogotsi la ka re hona tje monna ka aka hela mogotsi la o ka twe hona tje o fa sinogo se jwang o khati dula wena phini dula wena e ba le khona go iketsetsa ya how mkhotsi your father it's freedom the freedom that comes with being able to make your own decisions your own thoughts ha motho abana mkhotsi la o ka thwe batswadi ba rona before ba ne ba bontate ba rona ba ne ba supporta bomme ba rona mara manyalong a bona ba ne ba dula monyana hela go back o lo botsa bomme ba rona ba botse di trauma se ba fetileng ho tsona just because bona ba sa khone o iketsetsa next it is such an oppressive kore I don't care la o ka thwe hlwella pala how yo fa bukai le nyane ya hao ke yone etsang go khona o ba le lentswe o khona go iketsa o tsa mnate jwa mogotsi la gore nna today ke batla o qhaqa today ke batla ho etsa eng ke yona ntho e mna that's why ke tshokere lentswe la ka le 2026 mkhotsi ema o iketsetse ya hao tšhelete ema o iketsetse la ka banyane jwa mkhotsi la o ka rekisa acha la o ka rekisa ditamati la o ka rekisa enge la o ka rekisa di ice block robotong iketsetse ema o iketsetse matsatsi a the days of you just o dutse fela ntse go tšhelete go hlella pa ntse go ntlo ha fele ka 2026 sharp mkhotsi
uma ngabe ngingakhona nje ongathi yena othandweni lakhe azikho inkinga akavele othi yena nje emshadweni wabo azikho inkinga akavele othi yena nje othandweni labo nomuntu wakhe abaxabani nje akavele la ngikhulunyiswa ilento ka Felix Hlophe yabona wena lo shoothe le video Felix Hlophe kade ridisana lapha nefamily yakhe lo shoothe le video hayi uSathane uDevil manje ufuna ini uyamxoshisa ufuna umxoshisa apha emsebenzini abekho abantu abanganazi inkinga kuphela ukuthi phela nina nganidumile nathi asidumile siyaxabana nabantu bethu kudlule nje sixabane kudlule into enginaka nguFelix uyawuthanda umndeni wakhe uFelix Hlophe uyayithanda ingane zakhe yabo uthe mayibona ekhaya abekho unkosikazi wakhe nezingane uFelix Hlophe wenza show ukuthi ngempela uyabalanda noma ngabe kukhona ungaboni ngasolinye ukukhona kodwa umndeni wakhe ukhathalela ukuthi awubuye uze ekhaya ingane zakhe akalale zisekhaya nonkosikazi wakhe ababuye beze ekhaya kuxatshwene makukhona ukuxabana ingxabane bekhona kodwa ngoba bengasekho ekhaya wenza show ukuthi akabalande la bekhona bebuye beze ekhaya indoda emadodeni uFelix yabona nje lapha indoda emadodeni uFelix Hlophe so ke nina-ke senibhizi uFelix nithi nifuna axoshwe emsebenzini ayi ningosathane mani ningosathane anishaya nana wena amadoda nje nake naya ney'nkampanini la sebenza khona nawareporter nayothi ngicela axoshwe nake naya nawuthi amadodini awaxoshwe emsebenzini indoda yakho uma uvuka ekuseni ikushayele ikubeka ublue eye nake naya asukugqugquzeli ukuthi akushawa abantu besifazane kodwa sengisho laba abanye iningi labe ngibabonayo bethi uFelix uFelix na akaxoshwe egagasini wena wake wayani ureport yakhe indoda ikushayile emsebenzini ukuthi ayixoshwe wake waya yini cha mhla ka-31 kusuku uFelix thina somlindele laphana kuyigagasi noLinda Sibiya noSel Beyonce ukuthi besihlukanisele unyaka silindile nje leyo combo Felix somlindile
bafowethu ngibingelele kuseni niyaphila hayi senenza kakhulu manje nenza kakhulu manje bafowethu asibongele bafana ngokuwena bafowethu kunodaba lolo trenda kakhulu liyatrenda udaba likaThumbeza kanti wenzeni uThumbeza bafowethu sendingaze nenza ama-petition aya uyabona ke wena owenza i-petition le video ngathi ngafika kuwena lalela yabona wena uma Lucifer mawuwesifazana uma uwesilisa ukhokho kaLucifer usujule ngalendlela yokuthi ufuna umndeni udivide ufuna ukuqeda ngomndeni wakaHlophe ufuna ukuqeda ngomndeni wakaThumbeza ngifuna ukuthi kuwena Felix Hlophe ngifuna ukusho kuwena ngqo sizwa kithi ngiyazi ukuthi ngimdala kuwena kodwa ngizi ngobudala ngiza nje ngoba umnomzane ngokuhlonipha uyabona manje awudumile awudungiswanga mhlawumbe amahlayo wenzayo kutrendwa ngendlela yobunebi negative ngendlela engenhle yokubukeka njengomuntu oabuser umama wasekhaya angikho lapho kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mfowethu ubheka wash your back bheka ngemuva lakho ukuthi ulandele obani ula ukhona nomndeni wakho noma ngabe naqophisana imndeni ihlala iqophisana izitolo iyoshopha kwanjani umama esafuna ukuthenga icathule engaqedi kuhlala kunokuqophisana emndeni nje kuma families kuhlale kukhona ukuqophisana kodwa uyabona ukuthi kunedemon elikhulu uLucifer ulokho ekulandela
kuthathwa yonke into nento yenza abafuna ukuyiqopha futhi bafuna lenembi abafuni lenenhle ebese kuthi kube khona futhi isitha esifuna ukuthi siqophe senze ipetition ukuthi kuvotwe. Yabona ke wesitha sepetition ubonile uwenzele umuntu ucabanga umuntu omnyama futhi negama lesizulu yonke into esizulu. Yabona wena ukhokho kaLucifer ngiyakutshela ukhokho kaLucifer ayenziwa lento engabe ngelilanga uyofunani kuba nomndeni. Ngikhona ukungaboni ngasolinye emndenini but musana ukuhamba nigebhela ukuthatha indaba zabantu boLucifer ndini boSathane emadimoni amakhulu. Stop it now. We know that the thief come to steal and kill and destroy. But uNkulunkulu came. Uthi Jesu I have come so that they may have life and more abundantly. Ngikhuluma le video ngiqophela uFelix Hlophe ukuthi sizwa kithi iba strong futhi uzoba strong. Okungenzeka ukuthi njoba kwenzeka kanje isitha sifuna ukuqeda umndeni wakho sitarget ukuqeda umndeni. Ingani le petition yokuthi uFelix axoshwe emsebenzini? Nisayineke le petition siphukuphuku ndini. Kusho ukuthi uma senisayine le petition bafowethu niqonda ukuthi zingadli ingane zikaHlophe. Yini nifunayo? Nifuna ukubona umndeni kaHlophe uhamba ucosha uhamba ucela la kunina nikanijabulisa ukuthi nibona abantu abacelayo ikuphi nikufunayo? Washo back Hlophe. Nifuna ukubona unkosikazi kaHlophe lokhuza eSafarish. Ukuba unkosikazi kaHlophe ngempela ku serious ubezohamba police station ayovula icala aboshwe avula icala lokuthi ushayiwe le assault nokusatshiswa all those things. Yabo kodwa unkosikazi kaHlophe akakwenzile lokho. Sibona nje imkhovu yemkhunqenqe yoLucifer ukuthi sanikwazi ukuthi nenza ama petition nithatha ama video noposta viral. Umuntu eqophisana nonkosikazi wakhe senizongena emakamereni manje. Yabona manje nizongena nithi ntshi emakamereni. So siyaphapha manje nisibone sisiyaphapha manje ekamereni singaqokile nisibona senikhona la. Ngoba niyasilandela. Phumani emindenini yabantu focusane kwenzeni imndeni yenu. Foka Hlophe sengivala ngifuna le video befishane ibe sound. Foka Hlophe kunezinto eziwu2 engifuna uyibheke empilweni. 1 i-reputation. 2 i-character. Foka Hlophe i-reputation is what people says you are. Kodwa i-character is who you really are. I-character yilento yiyona. I-reputation ayisiyona lento yiyona. Hilena abantu bona bayishoyo ngawe. Abacabanga ukuthi uyiyona. So you are not your reputation. You are your character. Fix your character. Because if you are a married man, if you are a grown-up man, enengane ubaba wezingane, funeke zibe sibonelo kuwena mfowethu. Hamba ngobuqotho, hamba ngokusihlonipha, hamba ngoyithanda. Thumbas, keep going man. Keep going my man. Anginabo ubudlelwane nabo obusondelene nawe akakhulu. Ngiye ngikubone nje lapho uthi abantu olesihlanu abathathe benza bekushoyo amuye ngibambe emashayini lakho there and there kodwa zibheke insizwa kithi ukuthi wenzani ukuphi nini ngoba sikhona izitha ezikufuna down. Engekho happy ngesuccess yakho. Yabona? Kodwa ke insizwa kithi okugcina remember this. There is no success without failure. There is no success without failure. Yabo? Uma sohamba endaweni nje emsulwa nje clean, you in the wrong place. uNkulunkulu akuvikele nomndeni wakho mfowethu, whatever it is nje aqoqa uNkulunkulu nomndeni wakho nihlangana nibe nobumbano, nihambe niye phambili bafowethu. uNkulunkulu nje akenza ukuthula kube nepeace wherever it is. Yabo? Ngibonile nokuthi nasemsebenzini you have been suspended. Kodwa incwadi yasho ukuthi uyobuya ngomhla ka-19 January. Kusho incwadi. Uthi uzobuya ngomhla ka-19 January. lezitha esezenze ophatheshini uNkulunkulu uzodila naso. Angisho uma ukuthi kunoku hlupha noma nokuhlukumeza kubantu besifazane there and there ukuthi ngiyapromote lokho. I don't want it at all. I hate it with my passion. Angihlangana me family man. Uma kuukuthi ngempela ukwenzile, deal with that thing, sort with that thing, and please. And ungalokho responda kuma negative message uprovoke abantu na uphendule ngoba bathatha lento ishilo wena bayinameke kuma social media. Khula Hlophe, khula Thombeza. uNkulunkulu akubusisa kugcina kupha amandla. Akuphi uNkulunkulu wisdom. We need wisdom. If you are a leader, lead with wisdom. God bless you.